As we're doing that, cop pulls up. Everybody go to Bojangles. We're going to Bojangles. Ah! Hey, we about to get kicked out of Bojangles. Sheesh. 24 by. But obviously by the title of the video, you know we're out here in Valdosta, we're having a good time. We're at the Steak and Shake parking lot. Yes, I'm gonna tell you right now, we are going to Bojangles and we're gonna fill Bojangles. We are gonna take everybody, hey, how's it going? Ooh. We're gonna take everybody we can and blow up the Bojangles parking lot about 9 or 9:30, so stay tuned for that. We're gonna walk around, there's, you know, we're getting a bunch of good people here. As you can see, we're starting to get some people here. We're gonna walk around, see what's out here, show you some cool trucks, and we're gonna have some fun. Hey, my man Dylan, cleanest Ford Ranger on the gram right now. I'm gonna put his information on here, 6Dylan9, cleanest one on the gram. This burgundy's kind of clean though. Kinda clean. Fuel forged. Kinda clean. How's it going?
What's going on? Everybody good?
Yes, sir.
Just walking around.
Okay, just make sure. Want to say hey? He's walking around. He's just walking around?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm filming, so I mean, I got whatever. That's 3 cops now.
Oh shit.
Ooh, hey, how's it going? How's it going? Having a good time?
Having a good time?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, we got complaints about all y'all blocking the parking lot and everything.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Saying they were trying to get through.
If we just, you know, fix the parking a little bit, you all right? Keep the noise down?
Yeah, most likely.
Okay.
I mean, like that truck right there.
Well,
I know I kind of parked just like them just then.
we'll work on it.
All right.
Got my word. I'm gonna work on it. Parking spots. That's all it is. So we just gotta fix the parking spots. Hey, I'm good over there. I'm good. Me? Why am I going to jail? Because I'm white. Because I'm the whitest out here. Is that why? That's not. No, that's not. I just got the name. That's all it is. That's all it is. Just the name. I got the name first. That's all. That one. Stay tuned. It's a great meet. There's a lot of people here, and there's Bojangles involved. If y'all want to see the Bojangles, stay tuned. Who else you know wears sunglasses at night? This guy. As we're doing that, cop pulls up. We're done, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, hold on. Hey, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Whose truck can I get on? Hey, everybody go to Bojangles! Everybody go to Bojangles! We're going to Bojangles! Ah! Everybody go to Bojangles! We're going to Bojangles! Ah! Ah! Hey, the cop said he's gonna meet us. Hey, I'll meet you there, I promise! Hey, the cop got me. Hey, we going to Bojangles? Yeah, I'm going. Hey, the cop just said he's gonna meet us at Bojangles. Everybody. Oh, boys. Oh, here we go. Hey, here we go, baby. Bojangles. Hey, fuck yeah, we going to Bojangles. Let's go. Hey, we going to Bojangles, baby. Let's see how it goes. Hey, appreciate everybody. Hey, it's time to get out. We got cops there. Cops coming. Hey, it's DD the gang. We heading to Bojangles, baby. Bojangles. Let's get this bread, baby. Go to Bojangles because we've been talking about that. And we're heading to Bojangles now, so I'm gonna see y'all there. Hey, we really do this Bojangles thing. We're gonna see how many people we can get in the Bojangles parking lot. If we get kicked out of Bojangles too, we're in some trouble though, so. Everybody pulling up to Bojangles. 1, 2. You know where we're at? Yes, sir. All rolling up. Bojangles. We packing Bojangles out tonight. We packing Bojangles out. I didn't even cut my truck off. Hey. Let's go, baby. Hey, we really got like 30 people coming to fucking Bojangles right now.
Bojangles food, bro.
I better get in and get some food before we get kicked out. I need to go look at that truck. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everybody pulling up. Everybody pulling up. Hey, there's a cop right behind us. We about to get kicked out of Bojangles. Hey, we about to get kicked out of Bojangles. Hey, we about to get kicked out. There's a cop right behind them. Yeah.
They keep pouring that shit. Tell them chill out.
Hey, no, that cop's gonna get us out of here. The cop's sitting right over there. Hey, he's gonna make us get out of here.
We gotta go in and eat if we're gonna stay.
Yeah, I mean, he's not gonna let us stay. We're gonna have to get out. We're gonna have to leave. Hey, Brad. Hey, there's a cop right behind him. He followed us over here. What'd he say? Hey, we gotta go inside. Hey, did the cop tell us to go inside? Hey, save me a spot up front. I don't know if y'all know that we are really about this life. Like, we have completely filled Bojangles with cops and all. So we're really in here. We're really in here. We really do this, don't we?
Hey, bro. Let's get this bread.
We really do this. My GoPro's about to die. We're gonna get some food. We're gonna get some food. Shout out to my dog over there.
Some recommendations because I've never been here.
Hey, we really brought like 30 people to Bojangles. we really did. Bojangles, Tallahassee. We really do this.
Bojangles the move.
It really is. You see what I do?
I never had no food.
See what I do? I'm a little interested. My GoPro's about to die. We're gonna save some battery. They just, yeah, look, hey, the cops. Blue lights. Hey, what did he do?
Burnout right in front of him. Crazy, bro.
Hey, he did a burnout right here. Hey, he just did a burnout. Shout out to my man. Free my man.
Free him.
It gets wild out here. I'm gonna save some battery, but stay tuned. We got more cops rolling up. It's getting wild. I got 1, 2, 3 at least. And there's definitely more coming, so let's just stay tuned. All right, guys, good news. Cop said if we're here to eat, we can stay. If we're here to eat, we can stay. So, of course, what are we gonna do? We're gonna get some mother freaking Bojangles. I can't cuss on YouTube, but we're gonna get some shit. I just cussed up. We're gonna get the 4-piece chicken supremes, fries, and a large drink. No better way to end the night than some Bojangles. I'm gonna let my man Brett take you out.
Let's get this bread.